Assalamualaikum and hello guys. Today, me and my friends will be describing about what is drone, why it is exists and it is valuable for human being. Technically, a drone is a flying robot that can be remotely controlled through software controlled flight plans in their embedded systems, working in conjunction with onboard sensors and GPS. Drone is very valuable as it is used for many things. In history, drones are used for the military service using the very basic forms of drones. Drones can also be used to transport or delivery food, packages, goods, and medicine, especially to the people in hard-to-reach areas. Besides that, the advancement of the current multimedia world have used the drones for the purpose of movie recording, natural disaster operation, and photography.
Based to the DJI official website, the price for the DJI Mavic 2 Zoom is 1,349 USD dollar equal to 5,466 ringgit Malaysia. It is a little bit pricey, but it worth your money. Beside that, DJI Mavic 2 Zoom also come with a kit in one box that contain one aircraft, one remote controller, one intelligent flight battery, one charger, one power cable, one propeller, 3 types of RC cable, one gimbal protector, one communication cable, one USB adapter, 2 types of RC cable slider, and spare control stick. So, why DJI Mavic 2 Zoom worth your money? This is because Mavic 2 Zoom is much better compared to other drones because it have a better spec, additional flight mode and more impressive camera. These features make the Mavic 2 Zoom become the drone of choice for many expert photographer and videographer. The DJI Mavic 2 Zoom is also suitable for traveler, outdoor lover, beginner who want professional shoots, and animal photographer. And here is some of the product review from other customer.
Every drone has their own benefits, key features, and functionalities. So now, we are going to talk about our product, DJI Mavic 2 Zoom. First of all, DJI Mavic 2 Zoom comes equipped with a high-quality Hasselblad camera. The camera resolution is 12 megapixel and the video resolution is in 4K. For the lens field of view is at 33 degrees and the sensor is 2.3 inches CMOS. It is also capable of doing a mechanical optical zoom from 24mm to 44mm while flying at 4 times lossless zoom in 1080p video, allowing you to capture amazing shots from a safer distance. The max transmission distance for this drone is 18 km. It weighs at about 905 grams and the flight time for it is approximately 31 minutes.
Hi, my name is Ahmad Farhan. In this session, I will give you guys a quick short tips to fly the drone. But before that, as we all know that to use the drone, we need to have a proper skills and acknowledgement when we want to use it. It probably because of trying to get a better result, or probably because of the cost. If something bad happen, for sure it's broken up. So, in order to prevent that fatal mistake from happen, here is a tips or demo on how to use DJI Mavic to zoom. First of all you gotta do is make sure to fly the drone at a suitable place. In other words, use it at the open space, especially for the beginner. For example, by flying at an open field or any place that has no obstacles, which can bring consequences if you guys fly without high skill. So, open the intelligent flight mode. Here you will see so many options to use for a different advanced flight mode. If you want to have such an elegance and like a movie style, just go for cinematic mode. But for the sport purpose, just tap the active track. But to learn and adapt with the drone at the first point, just tap the quick shot. Then, once you choose the quick shot mode, you will view the several options on the screen. Here, just tap the dually zoom for a focus camera on the object as the camera fly on the air. Then, make sure that the object you want to focus are detected. For example, choose yourself as the object and then it will autofocus even though the angles are unstable, as the drone are already equipped with the stabilizer technology. Now, all you gotta do is just tap go. Then you can enjoy the view through the screen just like what you want, just like a professional video. Okay, now before we end the video, let me show you some teaser.